Please come in. Please come in. So, alright. Attention, please. So all of you already ready, right? Semua udah siap kan? So it looks you are what's that? More ya than usual. Kayaknya kelihatan lebih banyak ya daripada biasanya. Apa ini udah lengkap ya? Alright. So I'm gonna mention you randomly. So ready or not, you have to come to in the front when your name is mentioned by me, okay? Jadi siapa tahu enggak, kalau namanya disebut, maju ke depan, and then you just hold this one with your hand, like this, not clipping in your what's that clothes, but like this, yeah. Then I give you like maybe, for example, Alpha, and then you come in front, and then you just directly speaking into the class ya, without my sign. Jadi tanpa aba-aba dari saya, langsung aja ngomong selama 1 menit. So when it's already past to 1 minute, I'm gonna tell you. Ketika udah nyampe 1 menit, so nanti akan saya kasih tahu gitu ya. Jadi just stop, and then you you didn't need to pay attention to your friend in the front. Jadi teman-teman gak usah memperhatikan teman yang ada di depan. Udah aja latihan sebisa mungkin ya. Supaya temannya juga yang di depan gak nervous. Gitu ya. That's all. That's fine. And then after that, I'm gonna ask you to pronounce maybe an article, which article ya. So you come to the front, and then you bring your paper, and then put your paper on my desk, on my table. Jadi maju ke depan, mention the name, I mention your name, and then put your paper here, right? And then just stop 1 minute, and then pronunciation of the article. That's all, only 2, yeah. And then later on, maybe I'm gonna ask you about, told you to fulfill, in the very last page, about the vocabularies, the blank vocabularies. But hopefully don't look to your paper, I believe that you are really religious people, Jadi nanti untuk yang part mengisi mengisi blank yang kosong ini, teman-teman langsung aja nanti balik terus isi, gitu ya. Nggak boleh lihat yang udah-udah, tes aja diri sendiri, oke? Any question? Ada pertanyaan sebelum kita mulai? No question? Udah jelas semua? Jelas? Alright. Okay. So I'm gonna mention Arik. Come on. Bring your paper, please. Bawa kertasnya. Okay. Don't really pay attention to your friend, Just focus yourself, Fokus aja ke diri sendiri. Okay. And then you have to look to the camera there, One. Ke belakang lagi. Okay. I'm gonna set on the you talk I'm gonna give you like just satu option, right? Ada 2 opsi kan? 2 opsi mana? Ini atau ini ya? Nanti akan saya kira, oke? Alright. So for now, opsi B. You ready?
Not.
You only prepare for option A or option B?
A.
A only. Yes. Alright. So I'm gonna click this button when you start talking. Saya akan menekan tombol ini ketika kamu sudah mulai berbicara, oke? Alright.
Today, I wake up at 3 a.m. And I clean my face and pray in my studio. In the morning, I go to Rome class. Uh, I'm I I study in my class. Uh, I listen my teacher. Learning Learning English is a process. A diligent student will always start the day with a goal. A goal. First, we open the book and search for a simple word. We listen to the teacher and repeat the sound. It is important to be patient when the lesson is complex. If we make a wrong, if we make a wrong answer, we correct it. We believe that knowledge is the key to success. Never stop and never forget to study every day.
Alright, so you may Okay, thank you. Wafi, come on, Wafi. Come to the front. Oh, no, okay. Okay. All right. Please take this mic.
Bismillah.
Where's your paper?
Oh.
Bring your paper out here. So I'm going to click this button. Start from your you already just hold. Alright. Look to the camera there. Alright, you may start right now.
Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Wafiuddin. I wake up at 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. I clean my bed and my pillow and my blanket. I go to bed to clean or to wash my tooth and my face and my body. I go to Moscow to pray together my friends. At 7 a.m. I breakfast together my friends.
And then please read the article in day 2. Article in day 2. Open article in day 2. Buka artikel di hari kedua. Please read it. Baca. Artikel hari kedua. Ya, artikel hari kedua. Alright, hold this mic. Read it.
We are smart students. In the classroom, we take a pen and we write a simple word. Then, we open the book to read the meaning. Sometimes we remember the lesson, and sometimes we forget. We must listen to the teacher to understand. If our answer is wrong, we correct it together. If we speak If we speak English every day, we will achieve success.
So right now you have to do the assignment very behind, paling belakang. Kerjakan ini. Yang di examination, kerjakan ya. You may have a seat. Boleh duduk. I'm sorry.
Many minutes.
How many minutes? Ya, up to you. Ya, up to you. But do not look to your paper ya. Nggak boleh lihat buku. Ya, answer it. Okay. Ya, welcome. Ya. Okay. No fun. Oh, bring your paper only. Okay. Okay. Put you here. Okay. All right. You may start right now.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Novan Ahmad Ramdhani. Okay, I am lazy student, but I never waste my time. Okay, my daily activity is every day I wake up at 5. I wake up 5 a.m. I pray subuh together with my family. Sometimes I don't pray subuh together. I go to study at 7 a.m. I go to study with my mother because my study is so far.
This article.
Learning English is a process. A diligent student will always start the day with a goal. First, we open the book and search for a simple word. We listen to the teacher and repeat the sound. It is important to be patient when the lesson is complex. If we make a wrong If we make a wrong answer, we correct it. We believe that knowledge is the key to success. Never stop, and never forget to study every day.
Okay, thank you. So right now you should to do the assignment. Ya, yang ini ya. Oke, payment have a seat. Arfa. Okay. Alright, thank you. Submit the conversation with your friend ya. Kalau udah beres, yang udah beres, aja. Bro. Terima kasih. Submit what last time right now.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arfa Aura Sukma. I am student in Al Bahjah Boarding Islamic School. Sometimes I wake up at 3 a.m. and sometimes I wake up at 5 a.m. How do this since I enter in Boarding Islamic School Al Bahjah? If you ask me, how do you wake up at your house? If I living If I was leaving my house, I wake up at 3 a.m. Then return to my daily activity in Al Bahjah boarding Islamic school. After wake up, I take a bath. So go to Moscow, pray, pray. Pray subuh together. Uh, after after pray, I return to
Please open day one. Day one. And nanti di artikel day one. Baca artikel di day pertama.
We are smart student. In the classroom, we take a pen and we write a simple word. Then we open the book to reading the meaning. Sometimes we remember it. We remember the lesson, and sometimes we forget. We must listen to teacher to understand. If our answer is wrong, we correct it together. If we speak English every day, we will achieve success.
Which one? My paper. Where's your paper? Oh, so you already what's that? Fulfill? Udah dikerjakan lagi nih? Oh, udah. Alright. Okay. So right now you meant to make a conversation with your friend, okay? Alright. Nahwa, come on. Okay. Yeah, just hold the mic.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey guys, how are you today? Are you ready to listen my boring talk? As we know, of course, each of us has our own your problem, our own problems. Whether they are personal problems or problems with other people, and that is indeed a common thing in life. It just no matter how we respect to it, and we need to know the good the god the god will not be a burden, enough.
So please read this article. Okay, come on. Read the article, baca artikelnya. This one.
Learning English is a camera. Learning in English is a process. A diligent student will always start the day with a goal. First, we open the book and search for a simple word. We listen to the teacher and repeat the sound. It's important to be patient when the lesson is complex. If we make a wrong answer, we correct it. We believe that knowledge is the key to success. Never stop and never forget to study every day.
Alright, thank you. Alright, thank you to do this assignment. Your state, okay. Alright. Okay, thank you. This is more is the English. What? No. How? What do you want to ask, Mr. Wafi? You all forget? Ya? Are you forget? So after this you may ask ya. Setelah ini boleh bertanya ya. Setelah ini. Oke. Alright.
Today I am very lazy and sleepy cause this day is boring, but I still to under my activity cause guys you have to know you must stay to study even you're lazy. I wake up at 4 a.m. and then I prepare and read zikir and pray to on the tahajjud and memorize Quran, and then I and my friend pray subuh together and read zikir together. And then I study with our teacher Buya Yahya throughout the YouTube. And then I have to breakfast and clean the toilet cause it is my job. And then I go to class fikih.
Just open day 3 of the
Every day I wake up at 4 a.m. I pray and clean my room. And clean my room. I wash my face and wear my uniform. I eat breakfast and drink water. At 7 a.m. I go to study. I was listen to the teacher. I finish my lesson in the afternoon. Then I return to my room and sleep at 9 p.m. I never waste my time.
Do the assignment ya. Nah, kerjakan yang ini. Yang halaman terakhir. Kerjakan. Alright, thank you. You have a seat, please. Mafal, man, come to the front.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Naufal Diol Haq Effendi. I live in this Mahat, and my daily activity. I wake up at 3 a.m. and I pray Qiyamul, but before that I clean my room and I take a bath and wash my face because I sleeping well, and I wear my uniform in the Qiyamul. At 7 a.m. I go to study in the mosque with my teacher and my friends, and I finish in the Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Learning English is a process. A diligent student will always start the day with a goal. First, we open the book and search for a simple word. We listen to teacher and repeat the sound. It is important to be patient when the lesson is complex. If we make a wrong Answer. We correct it. We believe the knowledge is the key to success. Never stop and never forget to study every day.
Alright, thank you. Rahmat. Alright, yeah, that's all. And you have to make a conversation with your friend. Okay.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The reason I stand here for implementing the order our coach, Mr. Anwar. So I want to telling you what I do every day at boarding school Al-Bahjah. Every day, guys, I wake up at 3 a.m. Then I still pray from 4 a.m. until 5 a.m. After pray subuh, I add my memory of Quran until 30 minutes.
So, this is yours, right? This is yours? Okay. So now you have to open the language. You have to open day 3. Buka day ketiga. Hari ketiga. Hari ketiga baca.
To learn English, we start with a simple step. First, we search for new word. Next, we find the meaning and save it in our memory. If a word is difficult, we repeat it again. We choose to try every day. Don't stop. If the process is complex, we change our method. Soon, English will be easy.
Thank you. Kerjakan yang ini ya. Alright. Iqmal. Okay.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. They really I can speak English. I can speak English. I believe I can speak English. Like English person. After I studied English, after I studied English every day, and I am I am never lazy. I must search for new words and save it in my memory, and I repeat it every day. I must listen to the teacher and to understand.
So right now you read this one.
Learning English is a process. A diligent student will always start the day with a goal. First, we open the book and search for a simple word. We listen to the teacher and repeat the sound. It is it is important to be patient when the lesson is complex. If we make a wrong answer, we correct it. We believe that knowledge is the key to success. Never stop and never forget to study every day.
So right now you have to do this one ya. Kerjakan yang ini. Okay. Alright, thank you. Asad. Okay, you may start right now.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everybody. I wanna speak about how to be a smart student. To be a smart student, I must be diligent and I must be consistent. I repeat my lesson every day and I sort the problem in my lesson today. I find out a knowledge every day. If I not understand, I ask the teacher. Even if it's rainy outside, I still go to the class and I sit always in the front line. The consistent and the patient and the diligent, it's key to obtain your goals and to obtain your success.
So now you have to read this one. This is your paper, right? Right. Okay, this one. And then that one.
Learning English is a process. A diligent student will always start the day with a goal. First, we open the book and search for a simple word. We listen to the teacher and repeat the sound. It's important to be patient when the lesson is complex. If we make a wrong answer, we correct it. We believe that knowledge is the key to success. Never stop and never forget to study every day.
Alright. Yang udah ini ya, make a conversation ya. Yang udah maju ngobrol sama temennya. Yang sama-sama yang sudah ya. Nah, sudah kan? Ya. Make conversation with Rahmat sudah Rahmat. Ya, make a conversation. Practice. Come on. Nabil. Come on, Nabil. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi bro, my name is Nabil. I wake up at 3 a.m. I pray subuh at 4 a.m. At 6 a.m. I go to study to 8 a.m. I return to my room and I eat the breakfast and take a breakfast. I go to study at 10 a.m. to Zuhur time. I return to my room and at 2 p.m. I go to study and finish my lesson. At Asar time, I return to my room and sleep at 9 a.m. And it's my daily activity. Thank you, my bro. Thank you so much. It's my daily activity. See you on the next class.
This article. Read this article with the mic also.
Yes. Sorry. We are smart students. In the classroom, we take a pen and we write a simple word. Then we open the book to read the meaning. Sometimes we remember the lesson and sometimes we forget. We must listen to the teacher to understand. If our answer is wrong, we correct it together. If we speak English every day, we will achieve success.
Start the assignment, please, ya. Kerjakan di belakang. Alright, thank you. Alright, maka congratulations ya teman-temannya. Yusuf. Where's your paper? Okay. Put your paper here. Taruh sini, buku ini. Okay. Alright. Hold this one. You may start right now. Up to you. Which topic up to you? Topik apa jadi?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Yusuf Prasetyo. I am from in Brebes. I am a student in Al-Bahjah boarding Islamic school. To be a student, I first I must be diligent and have strong wish. If come to me laziness, I push it. As I push it, I search for knowledge and new word every day and repeat my lesson every day. If a word difficult, I try to speaking that word the time after time. I know the process is complex. I believe I can achieve my goal and my success.
All this paper. Also the mic also. All the mic also.
To learn English, we start with a simple step. First, we search for a new word. Next, we find the meaning and save it in our memory. If a word is difficult, we repeat again. We choose to try every day. Don't stop. If the process is complex, we change our method. Soon English will be easy.
Oke, kerjakan yang ini ya. Kerjakan yang ini. Ini punyamu kan? Ya, kerjakan di yang halaman paling belakang. Alright, oke, thank you. Farhan. Okay. Put your paper here. All right. So hold this mic. Okay. Start right now.
My name is Ahmad Farhan Shawkani and I gonna tell you about my daily activity. Every day I wake up at 3 a.m. but sometimes I wake up at 4 a.m. because I was tired after finishing my daily activity in yesterday. And I used that time with a lot of praying and reading Quran, and then pray subuh with my friends and my teachers in a big wide room. But that is not a mosque, okay? And at 6 a.m., I go to the classroom to study Sufik and Zubat. But and if we let the enter to the classroom if prohibited. And at 8 a.m. we finish from study and we eat a breakfast and we clean all of the place in our mahat, or we can say that is a Islamic boarding school. And at 10 a.m. we return to study Zubat again in the mosque, and we finish before Zuhur, and I sleep in my bedroom.
Alright.
Okay.
So let's read this one.
Learning English is a process. A diligent student will always start the day. Learning English is a process. A diligent student will always start the day with a goal. First, we open the book and search for a simple word. Listen to the teacher and repeat the sound. It is important to be patient when the lesson is complex. If we make a wrong answer, we correct it. We believe that knowledge is the key to success. Never stop and never forget to study every day.
Alright, thank you. Kerjakan yang di belakang ya. Okay. So this is yours, right? Okay. Oh, yes, yours. Okay. Thank you. Reza, very last. Okay. Alright. Ready?
Ready. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Khairul Hasan. I want to tell you about my daily activity. It's nothing special on my daily activity. Even it was so boring. I just wake up every day at 4 a.m. and then I clean my bedroom and pray tahajjud until 6 a.m. And at 6 a.m. I prepare myself to go study until afternoon. When I finish on my study, I return back to my room and prepare myself to go sleep. And that's what I do every day with a little smile on my face.
That's all.
That's all.
Okay. So right now you should read this one. Yeah, with the mic on.
We are smart students. In the classroom, we take a pen and we write a simple word. Then we open the book to read the meaning. Sometimes we remember the lesson and sometimes we forget. We must listen to the teacher to understand. If our answer is wrong, we correct together. If we speak English every day, we will achieve success.
So I should to do this assignment right behind. Kerjakan yang paling belakang.
We write the English.
Yeah, you write the letter. Alright, thank you. Okay, thank you. Alright, so all of you already did the examinations, right? Sudah semua kan ya? Alright, so for those that still do the assignment, wait them, and then for those that have already did the assignment of them, you can make a conversation. So continue your conversation. I just want to mingle. Nanti akan sebentar ya. Just continue your conversation still 4 AM. Continue. Lanjutkan konversasinya sama teman-temannya. Kalau yang belum, kerjakan dulu saja. Belum, come on. Yeah, you can submit it to the front. Here. Alright, thank you.
I want to ask you.
Objective.
Present name.
Present name? No, that will be different.
For example,
Huh?
temanku yang baik hati.
Temanku yang baik hati ya.
My kind friend.
Ya, my kind friend. That's all ya. Jadi noun-nya itu selalu di belakang. Sifatnya berarti di antara posesif kan my itu kan posesif ya. Nah sini misalkan teman saya pintar dan yang baik hati gitu. Apa bahasa Inggrisnya? Kind. Ya bisa gitu ya. Ya. Jadi kalau yang opinion kan kemarin udah diajarin ya, opinion, terus shape, size, udah belajar belum? Udah ya. Nah kalau opinionnya ada dua, misalkan berbenturan, nggak apa-apa. Mau misalkan yang pintar dulu atau yang ramah dulu di depan, nggak apa-apa. Sebaliknya. Ya.
Sifat itu opinion.
Iya sifat itu ke opinion. Sifat, tapi sifat yang opinion ya, kayak misalkan ganteng, cantik, rajin. Nah, tapi kalau kayak panjang, tua, nah itu kan ada semuanya sananya.
My angry friend.
My angry friend bisa, my angry friend bisa. Temanku yang marah ya. 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 Oh, you are welcome. Finish? Okay, submit it there. Sebelah sana. Did you remember your questions, your old questions? Masih ingat pertanyaannya? Udah nggak? So you wanna ask me, right? Back then you wanna ask me. Tadi mau nanya kan? What was your question again? How deliver? How do you deliver? You-nya jangan lupa subjeknya. Oh, so how was that? You asked me about the form of the comment ya, comment form ya. Apa bentuk dari perintah ya? Kayak gimana ya? So you just say the verb. Misalkan tutup pintu, close the door. Sebutkan aja apa verbnya aja. Misalkan sit down, duduk, sit. Apa bahasa Inggrisnya mengambil? Take. Ya. Ambillah apa bahasa Inggrisnya? Ambil pulpen itu. Pulpen. Take the pulpen. Gitu aja. Nggak ada tambahan form apa-apa. Gitu ya. And then be honest. Nah, kalau sifat pakai be. Ya, misalkan don't be angry, jangan marah. Kan angry kan itu apa? Sifat ya. Tambahkan be. Misalkan rajinlah apa bahasa Inggrisnya? Be diligent. Jangan malas. Apa? Jangan malas. Don't be lazy. Ya. Without tanpa kan? Tanpa. Without mention. Ya, without mention ya the domir ya. For example, kamu berdua tutup pintu, berarti tetap pakainya secara literal. Both of you close the door. Nah, bukan close to the door. Panjang enggak ya, langsung ya. Tetap disebutin subjeknya. Misalkan subjeknya nama orang, misalkan Arik, close the door. Nah, gitu. Jadi dia nggak menyimpan domir apa-apa di sana ya, di kata itu. Jadi nggak usah ditambahkan apa-apa. Ya. Both BOTH of you, kalian berdua. Ya. Oke. That's clear. Sampai jam berapa? You can say how many time do we have? Kita punya waktu berapa menit lagi? Ya. Or we can say when the material will over. Ya. Kapan materinya, atau when the sections will over. Kapan materinya berakhir? Gitu. Ya. All right, guys, pay attention, please. Perhatian. So we already did the examinations. Hopefully, the result is as you wish, ya. Sesuai dengan apa teman-teman harapkan, and as your effort also, dan sesuai yang sudah teman-teman usahakan ya. And then we gonna study again, maybe the day after tomorrow, lusa ya. In what day? Monday kan? Monday ya, not Monday, Monday ya. And then we gonna have a new paper, a new material ya. Jadi kita akan punya materi yang baru. I'm not sure I'm gonna show the score or not. Jadi saya nggak yakin mau show, memberikan atau menunjukkan skornya. Maybe later on ya. At the end of the section of our English camp, mungkin jadi semua nilai-nilai akan diumumkannya terakhir kumulatif, secara kumulatif ya. And then it's gonna be like eliminations, I don't know, I'm not sure also. And then that's all for today, guys. So is there a question? Ada pertanyaan? No? And then I need help. Nahwa, you are Nahwa, right? Asad. So for the class A, maybe I will also need the phone and the mic, yeah, to record the students, right, about the examination. Jadi mungkin after Isya ya. So you're gonna bring like the inventory or the props, the phone and also the mic here ya. Nanti bisa, and then we gonna do literally the same like class B did ya. Examinasinya sama kayak kelas B nanti. Di kelas A mereka maju dan direkam gitu ya, supaya nanti lihat progresnya exam pertama sampai exam terakhir gitu ya, progresnya sejauh apa. That's all. Alright, tadi ada yang mau bertanya siapa? Ya.
Excuse me, my sir.
Okay.
What is the English bukankah?
Bukankah apa? Don't you?
Bukankah kamu sudah makan?
Nah, itu namanya ada buat syntax ya. Misalkan, do you eat, don't you? Jadi kita memberikan ada dua di sana. Kalau misalkan kita pertama pakai kalimat positif, di akhirnya buat syntaxnya harus negatif. Contohnya, bukankah kamu main bola? Nah, berarti do you play football, don't you? Nah, di belakangnya pakai don't you. Ya, kalau misalkan don't you play football, do you? Nah gitu, sama aja artinya. Bukankah kamu? Jadi positif negatif paham ya? Coba apa bahasa Inggrisnya? Kamu kan tadi habis examination. Did berarti ya, pakai did ya, karena sudah ya. Kemarin kan udah diajarin ya. Jadi did you? Nah, ya. Jadi pakai negatif sama positif. Kebayang nanti kita lebih lanjut ya. Biasa kan kalau orang-orang native speaker kalau misalkan ngomong gini, you come to the party, don't you, misalkan gitu kan. Kamu berangkat kan ke pesta, ya kan, don't you gitu. Jadi awalnya positif, akhirnya pakai negatif. Kalau ada negatif, akhirnya pakai positif sama aja. Ya, that's all. Alright, so we close these sections by reciting Alhamdulillah together. So preparation for prayer together. Persiapan untuk sholat berjamaah.